Imagine this! You spend weeks building your website. You add your products, your services, your best offers, and yet, when people visit, they're gone in just 3 seconds. 3 seconds! That's all it takes for a potential customer to click away. And you know what's worse? Most website owners don't even realize this is happening. They keep wondering, why am I not getting sales? Why aren't people contacting me? Why is my traffic not converting? But the truth is simple, your website isn't keeping their attention long enough. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how you can fix it. So stay with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll know how to turn those lost 3 seconds into real paying customers. Now let me ask you this. When was the last time you clicked away from a website just because it took too long to load? Or maybe it looked so messy you didn't even know where to click? Or maybe you opened it on your phone and the text was tiny. The buttons were broken and you thought, forget it, I'll try another site. We've all done that. And here's the hard truth. You've done it. Your customers are doing it to your site right now. See, people don't have patience online anymore. They're scrolling on social media. They're opening multiple tabs. They're distracted. And if your website doesn't grab their trust in the first 3 seconds, they're gone. They'll move to your competitor who made things easier, faster, and clearer. That's why I keep saying your website is losing customers in 3 seconds. So, what's the real problem here? Let's break it down step by step. First is speed. This is the #1 killer of online sales. Studies show that if your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, more than half of visitors just leave. They don't wait. They don't care how good your product is. They're gone. It's like inviting someone to your shop and making them wait outside while you unlock the door they just walk away to the next store. But speed isn't just about hosting. It's about those heavy images you upload without compressing. It's about plugins that slow everything down. It's about a bloated theme full of code you don't even use. The solution? Compress your images before uploading them. Use modern formats like web. Install a caching plugin if you're on WordPress. And yes, invest in faster hosting. Because cheap hosting may look like you're saving money, but in reality, it's costing you customers every single day. The second problem is design clutter. Let's be honest, many websites look like a carnival. Flashy banners, too many pop-ups, random colors, dozens of buttons, and nothing feels clear. When a visitor lands on a messy homepage, they don't know what you do, they don't know where to click, and they feel overwhelmed. What do? They leave. Because confusion always makes people run. The fix is simple. Clean design. One strong headline that tells people exactly what you offer. A short description. A single, clear button that guides them to take action. Remove the noise. Focus on clarity, and you'll instantly see people staying longer. Third is mobile experience. Over 70% of internet users today are browsing on their phones. If your site isn't optimized for mobile, you've already lost the majority of your audience. Think about it. Teeny fonts, buttons so small you can't click them, images that don't fit the screen, pop-ups you can't close. No one is going to stay. The solution is to test your site on your own phone. Check if it's responsive. Make sure text is readable without zooming. Make sure buttons are thumb-friendly. And keep the design simple. If it works on mobile, it works everywhere. Fourth is trust signals. Even if your site loads fast and looks clean, if people don't trust you, they'll leave. And trust online is built in small ways. Do you have testimonials? Do you have reviews? Do you show secure payment badges if you're selling something? Do you display clear contact information? These little signals tell visitors that you're real, you're professional, and they can trust you with their time and money. Add them to your homepage and watch your bounce rate drop. Now let's talk about navigation. Imagine walking into a shop where everything is scattered. You're looking for one product, but you can't find it. What happens? You leave. Websites work the same way. If your menu is confusing, if there are 10 different options, if people can't find what they need quickly, they'll just click away. A good website menu has no more than 5 to 7 main items. It's simple, clear, and it guides people to what's important. Don't overcomplicate it. Another hidden reason why you're losing customers. Bad copy, your words. Too many sites start with boring text like "Welcome to our website." Let me be blunt, nobody cares. People want to know instantly. What problem do you solve for them? If your headline doesn't answer that, they're gone. Instead of saying, "Welcome to ABC store," say, "Save 30% on your first order today." Or, fast, reliable IT services you can trust. Speak to your customers' needs, not about yourself. And let's not forget about pop-ups and ads. Now, I know some of you love using pop-ups to capture leads. But if your site throws a pop-up the very second someone lands, it feels desperate and annoying. People click away before even seeing what you offer. Use pop-ups wisely. Time them after a few seconds or when someone is about to exit. Offer real value, a discount, a free guide, something that helps. And about ads, don't overload your site with them. Too many ads kill trust. Slow down your site and make it look cheap. Keep only the essentials and focus on user experience. Now, let me put it all together for you. To stop losing customers in 3 seconds, you need 4 things: speed, simplicity, mobile readiness, and trust. Speed comes from optimized images, catching, and good hosting. Simplicity comes from clean design, clear headlines, and easy navigation. Mobile readiness comes from responsive design and user-friendly buttons. And trust comes from reviews, testimonials, and professional signals. Master these 4 areas, and your visitors won't just stay, they'll convert into real paying customers. And here's the exciting part. These changes are not complicated. You don't need to be a tech expert. Anyone can compress images. Anyone can choose a lightweight theme. Anyone can test their site on mobile, and anyone can add testimonials or reviews. These are small changes, but together, they create a massive difference. Now, I want you to imagine your site after these changes. Imagine visitors landing and instantly seeing a clean, professional design. Imagine them scrolling smoothly because everything loads fast. Imagine them feeling safe because they see reviews and trust badges. And imagine them clicking your call to action because your words speak directly to their needs. That's the power of fixing those 3 seconds. So, here's what you should do right now. Check your website speed with a free tool like Google Page, Speed Insights. If it's slow, fix the images and talk to your hosting provider. Then look at your homepage and ask yourself, if I landed here as a new visitor, would I understand in 3 seconds what this site is about? If the answer is no, rewrite your headline and clean up the design. Next, grab your phone, open your site, and see how it feels. If it's hard to use, fix it. Finally, add trust signals. Even one testimonial can make a big difference. If you apply these steps, you'll stop losing customers before they even know you. And instead, you'll start winning them in those first 3 seconds. If you found this video helpful, imagine what other simple tweaks can do for your business. That's why you should hit that subscribe button right now, because I'll be sharing more proven website hacks that save you customers, time, and money. Don't forget to like this video. It helps me reach more people like you, and share it with a friend who owns a website. Because you never know, maybe their site is silently losing customers too. Remember, you only have 3 seconds to win a customer online. Make every second count.